Integers task card number 8. Antoine records the outside temperature at 8 a.m. and at noon every day. Today, the 8 a.m. temperature was -3 degrees Fahrenheit and the noon temperature was 1 degree Fahrenheit. What was the change in the temperature from 8 a.m. to noon today? I'm going to circle this word right here, change. They're asking us in this problem about the change in the temperatures. So this is a distance problem or a difference problem. Let me go ahead and record these two temperatures. So at 8 a.m. the temperature was -3 degrees Fahrenheit. And then at noon the temperature was 1 degree Fahrenheit. And I'll grab the scribble tool so that I can draw this degree symbol. And they're asking you for the change between those two temperatures. We're looking for the distance between them. What's the difference between these two? I want you to think of these types of problems as a distance problem or a difference problem. We're looking at the distance between two numbers, the difference between two numbers. Remember, difference is the result of a subtraction problem. So this is a subtraction problem. When we write our number sentence, we will be subtracting. I'm going to use parentheses, and then in between I'll have a subtraction sign, and I'm actually going to write two number sentences here. And then I'm going to grab a different color, and I'm going to show you that you could either start with -3 and then subtract the +1, or you could start with the +1 and subtract the -3. And then from here, I'm just going to write these two number sentences again because in the section where I show my work, I'm going to actually change these to addition. So let me grab another color again. Subtracting 1 is the same as adding a -1. Now that this problem is addition, I can think about my addition rules. Signs are the same, you add, we get -4. Over here, subtracting a -3 is the same as adding a +3, and 1 plus 3 gives us 4. If you think about it on a number line, the temperature was -3, and then it rose to 1 degree Fahrenheit. So if you think about the distance between those two, it's a distance of 1, 2, 3, 4. The total distance between those two numbers is 4. That's why I'm talking about, I want you to think of this as a distance problem. And to find the distance between those two, we can write a subtraction number sentence. Now the reason why it doesn't matter the order is because we're going to get -4 or 4. It doesn't matter which way we write it because in the end, when they're asking you for a change, they're wanting you on the EOG to tell them a positive value. So the change was by 4 degrees.